Alright, so here's the deal. I have got 2 hours to catch a bag. That's not very long out here on Table Rock. I have got 2 hours to catch a 5-fish limit. I'm gonna keep you guys updated, but hey, we're out here on Table Rock. It's super overcasty. Water temperatures are down a couple degrees. Air temperatures are down a few degrees. I'm pretty sure I'm about to get poured on, but we're on our way to our first spot, and we have 2 hours exactly to catch a 5-fish bag. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go grind it out. We're gonna give it our all for 2 hours straight and see what we can find. So thank you all for clicking on this video. Hope y'all enjoy it. Stick with us, stay tuned, and let's go catch some fish, y'all. Alright guys, well I apologize in advance for the wind. It's going to be a windy video. It's a very windy day here. I'm gonna go ahead and get a spinnerbait tied on, because what else do you think of when I think of windy days? Spinnerbait. First bite came sitting in about 12 foot of water off this point right here, off this campground. It comes to a point out here off this main channel. There's a sunken campground right here, and I'm shooting for that 10 to 15 foot range off the point of this campground. I know I said I was going to be hitting main channel points today, but there's a couple points that are back here in this cove that are close to the main channel. They're not right on the main channel, but they're pretty dang close. And it's so windy today that I'm going to go back here, and there's a 3 or 4 that I see of these points that I found on Google Maps earlier this morning, just in case, because I knew it was going to be a windier day. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to check out these points back to this cove, and we'll see where we go. There we go, y'all. Nice. Look at that smallie jaw, folks. First one. Like I said, guys, right on these points, right on these main channel points. It's super simple. Putting my boat in like 15 foot of water, letting it sit, tossing it about 10-15 foot of water, going from there. We're gonna have to move spots, and I'll show you why. These freaking tubers, not mad at them, don't mind them one bit, but they keep making circles around me, causing these huge waves. And I'm getting my leg workout in for the day, but that's not what I'm here to do. I'm not here to work out. I'm here to catch some fish. So we're gonna move to the next cove and see if we can get away from these party boaters. I'll see you there. Oh. Numero doso. Little guy. here, dude. This guy was ambitious, right? Holy cow. You gotta give respect to fish like this, man. Ambitious little spotted bass. 0.5, 4-pounder. 4-pounder. Oh, I love it. There we go. Ow! Gosh, dang it! Ah.
Looks like the ocean right now. Just spread your legs so far.
Oh, still fish, baby!
Whoa! Oh, it actually is one this time. Now we're talking. That was one?
No, this is a spotted bass. Oh, spotted bass. Actually, that's a largemouth. No, this is largemouth, yeah.
Is it?
I can't tell. Too small to tell. Number 1, or number 3 actually, in the video. Number 1 on the day. What's the number?
Baby, wow!
Get down.
Hey, that's a good one.
A little bit better. Not very good, but little spotted bass.
He's pretty.
Yes, he is, huh?
So shiny.
Choked that thing. He was barely hooked though. That thing slipped right out of there. Gosh, he's chunky, huh? Goodness gracious. Look at that belly. Eh. Not a bad one. I dig it, huh? What do you think? Dang, he was out here deeper.
That's what she said.
Oh, that's a better one. Oh. Not that much better. They got bigger every one though, I think, right?
Awesome. Yeah, it did.
Hold still, you son of a gun. Oh, golly, that was fun. Man, I love that. That was so cool. Yeah, this is definitely a big fish of the evening, I would say, right? Oh yeah, definitely. We were pretty far ways out here too. Gosh, he choked that thing. Oh, come here. All right, fine, go down there. All right, come here. You're all right. You're all right. Little spotted bass. Man, they're just like, they're healthy though. I mean, look at that. They're eating, man. They are. They each got bigger though. That's pretty cool stuff right there. Right there on that jig bite. Choo! Alright guys, well that is a wrap for this video. That is all the time that we have. Been a great evening. Didn't have much time for either session. We only spent a total of, I would say, 2.5 hours fishing throughout this whole video. And we're starting to get things figured out a little bit. Things are starting to go back into motion. I'm starting to figure things out. And use Google Maps. I have one recommendation for you for this video is continue to use Google Maps. Be a smarter fisherman. It helps with everything. If you study up on your fishing, it makes it better, and it's kind of fun to go out and try new places and whatnot. So anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling on. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.